Hi, my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and you're viewing The How To Lady. My channel looks at organization, DIYs, life hacks, health, fitness, and a plethora of other things. I think my channel is very eclectic, and it has something for everyone. So if this is the channel that you'd like to explore, please feel free to do so. I am going to do a DIY today. I'm so excited about it. It'll take about 5 minutes, if that long, but it's just a way to help you stay organized and be on top of things. So if you're ready, stay tuned and let's get this ball rolling and knock it out of the park. Hi, my YouTube friends. As indicated in the introduction, we will be showing you a 5-minute way to store your makeup brushes and to keep them sanitized without having to go back and knock dust off them. You know how when you store your brushes in the open, it gets all sorts of lint and dust and things all over it. Well, those days are no more. You will have to spend just a little bit of money the first way that I'm going to show you. But if you check out my following video that will show you how to do it for a minuscule amount of the cost, please stay tuned and you will see that. All you have to do is hit the notification on this screen and it will take you right to that video. But for now, let's look at what we're going to be doing. I have an apothecary jar right here and of course a top. Now, I am not a big makeup person. I love glamming myself up when I have to, and those days are very few and far in between. But if I have a wedding, which I just went to a wedding about 2 weeks ago, and I wanted my brushes, I was able to go and grab some sanitized brushes. With that said, today I'm going to show you how we're going to do that in 5 minutes. So all you need is your apothecary jar, which I have right here, and often people store other things in these jars. They might store bath supplies, some of your loofahs they'll store in here. Some of their fragrances they'll store in here, but I'm going to use it for our brushes today. So not only do I have this, I also have these beads. Now these beads I purchased at one of your home goods stores, at Michael's, as well as Hobby Lobby. These beads are awesome. And they're like little crystals. Now, you can use other types of jewels, but I found that this product is the best one for me. And I will give you an up-close look at it. It's like little grains. I would like to say it looks like little grains of salt to me. At any rate, I use these and I put them in my jar, and it helps keep my makeup brushes balanced. And I'm going to show you really quickly because it's supposed to be 5 minutes. So here we go. You just take this and you pour it in your jar. You can fill it up as high as you like, but I'm just going to fill mine up midway, as you can see here. And then you take your sanitized brushes, which I have here. I love these makeup brushes. They are awesome. And as you can see, they're all clean and sanitized. And after you've cleaned them, if you also want to explore a way to clean your makeup brushes in a quick, easy way, go to my playlist on my channel titled Videos Related to Makeup. So I will put these in the jar, and all you do is stick it down in there. Just stick it down in there. Boom. There it is. There it is. There it is. I'm going to reposition this one, put it in the middle a little more. Put that one there and put that one there. Love these brushes. And all you do is take your apothecary top and put it on top of the jar. There, your makeup brushes are secure, they are safe. You don't have to worry about having to clean them or knock dust off of them because they're out in the open. And you are ready to use these great brushes. All you do is take the lid off, pop out the brush, and you're ready to go. How about that? Isn't that a cool way to store your brushes and to keep them sanitized? Now, I do recommend that you clean your brushes before you store them back into your apothecary jar. But it will keep all the dust off of your jar and you'll look absolutely beautiful when it's necessary. All right, if you'd like more information, please go to a playlist on my channel titled Videos Related to Makeup. The cost for creating this sanitized makeup brush storage is approximately $25, depending upon the apothecary jar that you purchase. There are less expensive ways to store and sanitize your makeup brushes. Please check out the videos on my channel in a playlist titled Videos Related to Makeup. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay beautiful.